Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to scan the common bile duct using ultrasound. We will cover essential techniques to accurately visualize and measure this important structure. Start by positioning your patient comfortably, usually lying on their back with their right arm raised. For most scans, a curvilinear probe, operating between 3 and 5 MHz, is your best choice. If ribs obstruct your view, a phased array probe can help. Patient positioning is crucial for a clear view. Start with the patient supine, then try a left lateral decubitus position if needed. Place your probe subcostally, directing it towards the patient's right shoulder. Encourage a deep breath and hold to displace bowel gas and bring the liver and bile duct into better view. Another effective method is the X7 approach, placing the probe about 7 centimeters to the right of the xiphoid process. Finding the common bile duct often involves identifying key anatomical landmarks. The portal vein is your primary guide. The common bile duct is typically found directly anterior to it. Look for the Mickey Mouse sign, where the portal vein is the head and the bile duct is an ear. Always apply color Doppler to confirm the common bile duct, as it will not show blood flow, unlike the adjacent hepatic artery and portal vein. Once you have a clear longitudinal view, measure the common bile duct from inner wall to inner wall. A normal common bile duct typically measures less than 6 millimeters in diameter. However, in patients who have had their gallbladder removed, a diameter up to 7 or even 8 millimeters can still be considered within the normal range. Remember, accurate measurement is vital for assessing potential dilation.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.